Hi, this short video will share information with you about the Red Rocks Community College Communication Lab. We offer both in-person and remote presentation tutoring. The RRCC Communication Lab, or Comm Lab as we like to call it, is located on the Lakewood campus inside the library in room 2264. Our tutors offer assistance with every step of the presentation process, focusing on both remote and in-person presentations. We are open to all students, faculty, and staff at Red Rocks, as well as the surrounding community. We're open Monday through Friday and offer a combination of remote and in-person tutoring options for our students. One-on-one tutoring is available by appointment, with some drop-in options available. You can schedule an appointment through Navigate. For in-person tutoring, students will have the option to work directly with our tutor and/or to schedule a time in one of our 2 rehearsal studios. The Comm Lab is here to help you. Perhaps you have to give a presentation and are experiencing a little public speaking anxiety. The Comm Lab tutors can help. Maybe you feel unsure about how to prepare for a remote oral presentation. We can help you with that too. Maybe you wonder how to effectively use a visual aid, either in person or in a remote presentation. You guessed it, the Comm Lab tutors can help. Maybe you need some help with speech organization. We are here to help you. Please see our flyer or visit our webpage for our hours this semester and more information about how to sign up for that appointment through Navigate to work with one of our experienced tutors. Thanks, and we look forward to seeing you in the Comm Lab.